Hi guys, I wanted to hop on here to make sure that I thank you. Today my channel reached a milestone of 4,000 subscribers. Guys, you know what? I never even thought I'd get 20, let alone 4,000. I want to make sure that I come here and thank you for that because I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. My birthday is on July 21st and I had set a goal for myself for 5,000 subscribers. You know what? That's beyond a dream. But if you haven't subscribed, and you like my content, if you don't, it's okay. I still thank you for being here and visiting me once in a while. That means so much to me. But if you haven't subscribed and you do enjoy it, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button below and hitting the bell. Turn the bell to black so you'll be notified. In the meantime, I've had some questions from you guys wondering why I haven't been posting it in the past 2 weeks. My daughter got married and I was going to play a part in this wedding, and a lot of you guessed it right. I did perform the ceremony because I am an ordained minister. You guessed it. Hello, that's me. And that was such a joy to be able to do that. That meant so much to me. Stay tuned because I do have probably about 10 videos that I have to edit and get them out to you. And they're going to be coming quickly. A lot of you have also asked me about when the video was coming out for that table that was, that I really screwed up. It came out really, really nice. That video's next. And then I have some collaboration videos where I have some amazing coupons for you. If you watch my channel, you know that I choose not to work with companies. This one company reached out to me many times, and I finally gave in because they were giving me what I needed for you guys. So the coupon is coming not in the next video, but the next. And I'm going to be sharing with you some amazing garden stuff. You don't want to miss that. Stay tuned, subscribe, turn the bell to black. I love you guys. Thank you again from the bottom of my heart. It means so much to me. Thank you.